morning, my self-reliant peeps. I'm back at the blueberry bush. I got some rooting compound, and I'm going to see how they do with the rooting compound on the tips. Get new growth and some old wood. And here's some old wood down here, new wood up here, and you can see that it's more flexible. Here's another one that has new growth with some a little bit of woodiness, meaning it's a harder shoot. I guess you should be doing this in July versus August. As you can see, there's not much new growth on this blueberry bush now, and I suspect that it's just getting old. After all, it is 60 years old. In this bin, I have a lot of logs on the bottom. So I'm digging down where I know the log is, and I'll get some good fertile ground. And we'll try these. Okay, so I have my rooting compound. It's called Garden Safe Take Root. It's a rooting hormone. And then if these take root, I'll just transplant them into a bigger pot come spring, I guess. Put a hole in it. Take those leaves off at the bottom. I'm going to cut this one right above a nodule at an angle. I'll take this one. Says to wet the bottom, plunk it in, shake it off, plant it. And moisten. I will do the same with this one. Moisten the bottom, dip it in the rooting solution, shake it off, and plant. And then moisten. So there we have it. I only have two. And I think what I'll do with these is maybe I'll put them in with the fig tree, since that'll be moved in come winter. Get this prepped. we'll move over to the fig tree. Like this. Get my water. This is where I put all my trimmings from my vegetables, things that go bad. I always put bananas in all my planters, so I guess they need potassium. So you know, this is good soil. I got a couple bad potatoes that I threw in here. It had big wormholes and soft spots, so. Then I just cover. Okay, so we got these ready to go. Some of my research said to plant it on the sides because the water tends to pool in the center. So I'm going to try that here. Now come spring, I'm going to do something with this fig tree. I think I'm going to plant it outside, and then come winter I'll cover it. You know, with burlap and put straw in, you know, to protect it from the elements and protect the roots. It's a little bit of work, but of course I might change my mind too. I'm not sure yet. But that'll be a spring project, whatever I do, whether it's to put it in a bigger container. But at some point I'm not going to be able to and remember, I got an angle cut. Just dipping it in the rooting hormone, and then I'm knocking it off and putting it in my hole. I'll give you a close-up in a minute of this. And I'm going to do the same thing with this other one. Buster. And there they are. I guess. Well, that's it for today, my self-reliant peeps. Hope you all have a blessed Sunday. It's a beautiful day out. So until tomorrow, have a good one. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.